Why are bees dying? Bees are keystone species. Remove them from the food web and the entire thing will collapse. Bees are important to all of us. They are vital to most of the planet's flowering plants, including a large portion of food products. Bees pollinate crops for the valley's farmers, who then provide food for their livestock and then to us. Without them, farming would not be possible. I am going to be discussing why bees are dying, more specifically, what is killing them, starting from pesticides, diseases, and high stress levels. Webster Dictionary defines pesticide as an agent used to destroy pests. Pesticides are used in farming in order to get rid of the insects that destroy their plants. Certain pesticides being used are killing off bees. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, approved a pesticide, sulfoxaflor, that is considered highly toxic to bees. Although the pesticide was approved, it was banned by the government in concern of the bee population. The EPA ultimately decided that the production of pesticide is more important than the extinction of bees. Glyphosate is an herbicide that is used in most pesticides, and according to the USA Today magazine, research done by the University of Texas Austin shows that honeybees exposed to glyphosate lose some of the beneficial bacteria in their guts and are more susceptible to infection and death from harmful bacteria. Although glyphosate is found in most plants and microorganisms, it is assumed to be non-toxic. When spreading this herbicide, it disrupts the normal levels of glyphosate and causes bees' ability to fight infections, making them more susceptible to diseases. Disease and parasites play a huge factor in reasons why bees are dying. A common disease found in bees is colony collapse disorder, CCD. CCD is when the majority of worker bees disappear in a colony and leave the queen bee behind along with the young and an abundant amount of honey. According to the EPA, there are multiple factors contributing to this phenomenon. Another disease is the American foul brood, AFB. AFB is the most widespread and destructive of brood diseases. This disease is caused by spore-forming bacteria and affects the queen bee and worker larvae, but does not affect adult bees. According to a Penn State research, a varroa mite feeds on the blood of adult bees, larvae, and pupae and causes deformed wings. The varroa mite infests the colony and feeds on bees with forming viruses and causes the deformity in wings. The moving of bees from the east to west coast in North America adds stress to the bees, along with the fact that they aren't getting enough protein from the crops that they're pollinating. Bees need a varied diet to survive. With today's monocrops, there isn't enough variety in pollen. These single pollen sources do not provide enough vitamin, proteins, minerals, and fats necessary for good nutrition. According to Wayne Elwood, an author from the magazine New Internationalist, in England, flower-rich grasslands have declined by 97% in the last 60 years. This loss of ecological diversity has a knock-on effect in the insect world. Because bees are not getting enough nutrition, they are more prone to diseases. Bees are transferred from the east to west coast in the winter, causing a cold and heat shock from the weather. This adds to the stress, along with allowing for more diseases to kick in. In conclusion, bees are dying and there are many causes to it. Pesticides are harming bees instead of helping them. Parasites cause diseases in bees. Today's farming of monocrops do not provide enough nutrition, and stress levels in bees are rising due to the back and forth traveling from coast to coast. It doesn't matter whether you're a vegetarian or a meat eater. Bees put food on the table. It's not only bees that are in trouble, it's us.